everyone. So we are continuing to solve our CBSE math board paper of year 2016 set 1, and we have already solved section A, section B and section C in our previous videos. Now let's move to section D. It has 11 questions, 4 marks each. Let's start with question number 21. In this question, we have 50 schools who collectively offer to share the cost of 1500 tents equally. We have tents whose base in the form of cylinder, and we have a cone on the top, and the radius of this cylinder is 2.8 meter and the height is 3.5 meter, and the height of the conical part is 2.1 meter and the base radius is same. To find the area of the canvas used here, we have to find the total surface area of this tent. So this is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Let's write down the formulae. So we have curved surface area of cone is pi RL and for cylinder is 2 pi RH. So let's find out the value of L. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So we have radius is 2.8 whole square plus 2.1 whole square. Square root of 7.84 plus 4.41. This is equal to square root of 12.25. So this is a perfect square, so 3.5 meter. Now let's substitute this here. So pi and R I can take common here. So I have L plus 2H left. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 2.8 for both, and L is 3.5 plus 2 into 3.5, height of the cylinder. So this is 0.4. So this is equal to 8.8 into 3.5 plus 7. This is equal to 8.8 into 10.5. Little bit of rough work here. So 105 into 88, and this is 840 and 840. So this would be equal to 92.40 meter square. So this is the area of the canvas required for one tent. So now we'll find out area of 1500 tents would be equal to 92.4 into 1500. So therefore cost is equal to area into rate. Rate is 120 per square meter. So area is equal to 92.4 into 1500 into rate is 120, and amount shared by each school. So there are 50 schools, will be equal to 92.4 into 1500 into 120 divided by 50. So this gets cancelled, and 300 10 gets cancelled for this decimal point. So we have 924 into 12 into 30. So this is equal to 12 448 428 to 108 and 110 into 30. So this is equal to 0, 24, 2, 26 and 3 and 3. So this is the answer. rupees. And the value shown here is to help the needy people. Question number 22. In this question, we have to prove the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's say this is the circle with center O, and this be the external point, and these are the two tangents drawn. So let this point be R, this be P, this be Q, and center is O. We can join OR and we can draw center to the point of contact. This is equal to 90 degrees. Given we have a circle with center O and tangents PR and QR drawn from external point R. Construction here: join OR and perpendiculars OP and OQ to prove PR is equal to QR. Now in triangles OPR and OQR, so we have to write down the statements and we have to write down the reasons. OP is equal to OQ, both are radii of same circle. Angle OPR is equal to angle OQR is equal to 90 degrees, right? So perpendicular from center to tangent. OR is equal to OR, so that is common. So I can say triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR by RHS property. So therefore PR is equal to QR by CBSE. So hence proved. Question number 23. This question is on construction. So first we have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then we have to draw two tangents, and these two tangents are inclined at 60 degree. So we know if we draw line from the center to the point of contact, then this angle will be 120 degree because these are perpendiculars. So angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Let this point be T, O. So this is A, this is B, and we can say angle AOB is equal to 360 degree minus angle OAT plus angle OBT plus angle ATB. So this is equal to 360 degree minus 90 plus 90 plus 60 degree. So this is equal to 120 degree. And the reason we can write down angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Let's start constructing. So first we are going to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter center, and we are going to draw one radius at any point. Then we are going to construct a 120 degree at point O. So we'll make one arc, and arc with the same radius. This is 60 degree. Another arc with the same radius. So this is 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. Point A and B. We have to make perpendiculars at A and B. So from B, I'll make one arc, and with the same radius, I'm going to mark it 160 degree, 120 degree, and then bisecting this angle. So this is my one tangent. I have to draw another tangent at A. So I have this, then 60 degree, 120 degree, and then bisecting this angle. So we have joined these points. So this angle is 60 degrees. T. So we have angle ATB is 60 degree. Now we can write down steps of construction. Step 1, a circle with radius 4 centimeter is drawn. Second step, a radius OA is drawn. Then step 3, at O, angle 120 degree is constructed, getting point B. Step 4, perpendiculars at A and B are drawn, intersecting each other at T. Angle ATB is equal to 60 degree. Question number 24. In this question, we are given two circles with equal radius with centers O and O dash. So this is O and this is O dash. They're touching each other at X. So a line is drawn from O to this. So this point is A, and AC is tangent to the circle with center O. This point is C, and we are given OD dash is perpendicular to AC. So this is perpendicular to AC. OC will be perpendicular to AC, and we have to find the value of DO dash by CO. We are given two equal circles with centers O and O dash touching each other at X, and we are also given O dash D is perpendicular to AC. Okay, and we have to find DO dash by CO. Okay, so let's say radii of both circles be R. In triangles ADO dash and ACO, we have angle A is equal to angle A because that's the common angle, and angle ADO dash is equal to angle ACO. Both are equal to 90 degree, as O dash is perpendicular to AC and OC is perpendicular to AC. line from center to tangent. Therefore, triangle ADO dash is similar to triangle ACO by AA property. So by CPCT, we have AO dash by AO is equal to O dash D by OC is equal to AD by AC, and AO dash is equal to R and AO will be equal to 3R, because the diameter of one circle and radius of other circles, so 3R. Therefore, AO dash by AO is equal to R by 3R, so this is equal to 1 by 3, and this is also equal to DO dash by CO. So answer we have DO dash by CO is equal to 1 by 3. Question number 25. In this question, we have to solve for x, and we are given 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 is equal to 4 by x plus 4, and x is not equal to minus 1, minus 2 or minus 4. Now let's take the LCM. So we have x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is x plus 2 plus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. X plus 4 into x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So this is x plus 4 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 4 into x square plus x plus 2x plus 2. So now multiplying this, we have 3x square plus 12x plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 4x square and 3, so 12x plus 8. 12x gets cancelled. Taking everything on the right hand side, we'll get x square and minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Let's use the quadratic formula. So finding x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 8. Let's substitute here. So x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4 and 4 16 minus 4 into minus 8 by 2. So this is equal to 4 plus minus, we have 16 plus 32 by 2. So this is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 48 by 2. 4 plus minus, and this is 16 into 3, so I can take 4 out and 3 by 2. Now we have 4 common, so 1 plus minus root 3 by 2, this 2, so we get 2 into 1 plus minus root 3 is the answer. Question number 26. In this question, we have the angle of elevation of top Q of a vertical tower PQ from a point X. This is 60 degree, and a point Y 40 meter vertically above X. So this is 40 meter above, and this point is Y. Angle of elevation of top Q becomes 45. So this becomes 45 degree. The height of the tower PQ we have to find out, and the distance PX. So we have to find this distance and we have to find this height. Let this point be R. We can say first tan 45 degree is equal to QR by phi R. Tan 45 degrees 1, so is equal to QR by phi R. So we can say QR is equal to phi R. So tan 60 degree is equal to QP by XP. So QP I can write down as QR plus 40 divided by XP. Tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to, and QR I can write down as YR plus 40, and XP also I can write down as YR. So we have root 3 YR is equal to YR plus 40, root 3 YR minus YR is equal to 40. YR is common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 40. Here we can go in two different ways. Either we can take YR is equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1, or here also we can say YR is equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1. Here we can substitute the value of root 3, 1.73 minus 1. It's given in the question, or we could rationalize the denominator as 40 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. So this would be YR is equal to 40 by 0.73, and here we have YR is equal to 40, and now here we can substitute. So 1.73 plus 1 divided by 2. So this becomes 20 here, and here we have to divide. So YR is equal to 40 into 100 by 73, and here YR is equal to 20 to 2.73. So we get 2, 6 and 14 and 5 and 1 decimal point. So 1 cancels by 0. So we get this as this was 54.6 meter, and if we divide 73 by 4000, this is some little bit of rough work, so we'll get 5 times 365, then we have 5 here, 3 0 4 times, so then we get here 4 times 292, then we have 8 here and 5, so decimal point 0 7 times, so 7 3 21, 249 and 251, then we have here 69, then this and this would be around 9 times. So little bit difference of answer we are getting here, so but that's okay. So YR here we are getting as 54.79. so YR is equal to PX, so this is equal to 54.79 meters, and here we were getting YR as 54.6 meters, so this is also equal to PX, so this is equal to 54.6 meter. Then we have to find the height. Height here is equal to QP equal to QR plus RP. QR is also equal to YR, and RP is given to us as 40. So here we will get height or QP is equal to 54.79 plus 40, so this is equal to 94.79 meter, and here we'll get height QP is equal to 54.6 plus 40, so this is equal to 94.6 meter. Both answers are correct. Answer. Question number 27. In this question, we have 49 houses in a row. So they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 48, 49. Now there is a house number X such that sum of these house numbers, let it be sum 1, is equal to sum of these house numbers. Let this be sum 2. Now let's have AP1, the sum of the houses before X. A here is 1, D is also 1 and N is equal to X minus 1. And in AP2 we have A is equal to 49. I am going to take in the reverse order, and D is equal to minus 1 and N is equal to 49 minus X. Sum of N terms is equal to N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D. So now let's substitute for AP1. So here we have N as X minus 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 plus N minus 1. So N is X minus 1 minus 1, D is 1. This is equal to N here is 49 minus X divided by 2 and 2 into 49 plus N is 49 minus X minus 1 into minus 1. So here we have X minus 1 by 2 and in bracket we have 2 plus X minus 2 is equal to 49 minus X by 2 and here 98 plus 48 minus X into minus 1. Then we have X minus 1 and this 2 can get cancelled here. So this 2 and this 2 also gets cancelled into X is equal to 49 minus X into this is 98 and minus 48 plus X. Here we have X square minus X is equal to 49 minus X into 50 plus X. So this is equal to X square minus X is equal to 0, 45 and 2450 minus 50X plus 49X minus X square. We have 2X square and this is plus X minus X is equal to 2450. So this gets cancelled and we have 2x square is equal to 2450. X square is equal to 2450 divided by 2. So we have 1225. So X is equal to 35. That's a perfect square answer. Question number 28. In this question, we are given a triangle ABC and A is 4, 6, B is 1 and 5, then C is 7 and 2. And the line segment DE is drawn to intersect the sides D and E. Are given that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle ADE and we have to compare it with the area of triangle ABC. To calculate the area of the triangle ADE, first we need to find out the coordinates of D and E. AD by AB is equal to 1 by 3. AD and AB I can write down as AD plus dB is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, thrice AD is equal to AD plus dB. So I can say twice AD is equal to dB. So therefore, AD is to dB is equal to 1:2. Similarly, we'll have the ratio of AE is to EC is also equal to 1:2. So now we can use the section formula to find out the coordinates of D and E. So section formula we have as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 5. So now let's substitute. So coordinates of point D for xy is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. And for y coordinate we have 1 into 5 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So these are equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 3, and we have here 12 and 5 17 by 3. So this is equal to 9 by 3 and 17 by 3. This goes by 3 times. So coordinates of D are 3 and 17 by 3. Similarly, for coordinates of E, m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 7, y1 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 2. Now let's substitute for the coordinates of E. xy is equal to, we have 1 into 7 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and we have for y coordinate 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 7 plus 8 divided by 3 and 2 plus 12 by 3. So this is equal to 15 by 3 and this is 14 by 3. So this is 5. So coordinates for point E are 5 and 14 by 3. Area of the triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of triangle ADE, we have the coordinates x1 y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2 y2 is equal to 3 and 17 by 3, then x3 y3 is equal to 5 and 14 by 3. So now let's substitute. So area is equal to half into 4 into 17 by 3 minus 14 by 3 plus 3 into 14 by 3 minus 6 plus 5 into 6 minus 17 by 3. Half into 4 into 3 by 3 plus 3 into 18. So minus 4 by 3 plus 5 into 18 minus 17, so 1 by 3. So this is equal to half, and this is 4, this gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 5 by 3. So this gets cancelled, so we get 5 by 6. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC also to compare. So now here x1, y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2, y2 is equal to 1 and 5, and x3, y3 is equal to 7 and 2. Area of the triangle. So let's substitute. Half into 4, 5 minus 2, plus 1 into 2 minus 6 into plus 7, 6 minus 5. Half into 4 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1. So this is equal to half into 12 minus 4 plus 7. So this is equal to half into 15. So 15 by 2. Ratio of areas is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC. This is equal to 5 by 6 and this is 15 by 2. So this is equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 15, 2, 3, 5, 3. So this is equal to 1 by 9. Answer. Question number 29. This question says a number x is selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and another number y is selected from the numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16, and we have to find the probability that the product of x and y is less than 16. So xy has to be less than 16. So let's see all the products now. Let's have 4 numbers here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have 1, 4, 9 and 16. So this product would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4, and this would be 4, 8, 12 and 16. Then this would be 9 and 18, 27 and 36, then 16, 32, 48 and 64. So what are the options for having product less than 16, not even 16, right? So this would be this number, then this number, this number, this number, this, then 16, it should be less than 16. So that's all. Probability of even equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So total outcomes are 16 here. Okay, and number of favorable outcomes are 8. Therefore, probability of this event is equal to 8 by 16. So we have 1 by 2. Answer. Question number 30. In this question, we are given a figure which has a circle with center O, and we have a triangle here. A, P, B. This angle is theta, and AB is perpendicular to the radius OA. We know this is shown as the tangent, and radius is OA R, and we have a shaded portion here. We are given that angle BOA is equal to theta, radius is equal to R. We have to prove that perimeter of shaded region is R into tan theta plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. Perimeter would be equal to arc AP plus PB plus AB. Arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Tan theta is equal to AB by r, therefore AB is equal to tan theta r. And then we have cos theta is equal to r by OB, therefore OB is equal to r by cos theta. Now let's substitute in first. So we have again perimeter, I'll write down arc AP plus AB plus PB. So we have arc AP, we have already found out, theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus AB is tan theta r, PB is OB minus OP. So this is equal to 2 gets cancelled with this 180. So we have theta by r divided by 180 degree plus tan theta r, and OB we have as r by cos theta minus OP is again r here, and we see r is common everywhere, so r pi theta by 180 degree plus tan theta cos theta I can write down as sec theta minus 1. So now I can just write down as it is asked in the question. So plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. So hence proved. Question number 31, last question of this section as well as this question paper. In this question we are given the speed of motorboat in still water is 24 km per hour and distance is equal to 32 kilometers, and we have to find the speed of stream, and we are also given that time to go upstream is more than time to go downstream by 1 hour. Time is equal to distance by speed. Let the speed of the stream, which we need to find out, be x kilometer per hour. Now let's substitute here. So we have time of going upstream minus time of going downstream is equal to 1. Now time of upstream, so distance is same, so 32 km upstream, and when you are going upstream speeds are subtracted. So speed of boat minus speed of stream minus time, again distance is same and here speeds will be added, so 32 is common, and I can write down 24 plus x minus 24 minus x is equal to 24 minus x into 24 plus x. So here we have 32 into 24 plus x minus 24 plus x is equal to 24 square minus x square. This 24 and 24 gets cancelled, so 32 into 2, so 64x is equal to 576 minus x square. So everything bringing on the left hand side, we get x square plus 64x minus 576 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation. So for that we need to find out two numbers such that sum is equal to 64 and product is equal to minus 576. So let's find out the factors. 576 288 into 2 times and 3 1 9 and 2. Then we have 4 times, and so 4 will be 144 into 4. Then 5 and 6, so 6 times 96 and 7 8 times 72. We can take plus 72 and minus 8. So let's spread the middle term. X square plus 72x minus 8x minus 576 is equal to 0. X is common. X plus 72 minus 8, x plus 72 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 and x plus 72 are the factors for this equation. So x is equal to 8 or minus 72. So as x cannot be negative here, therefore x is equal to 8. So answer, the speed of stream is 8 kilometer per hour. So with this we have finished this section, as well as we have finished this question paper of 2016. We are going to start set 2 from our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.